There are so many things that we have in our house that we don't know the spiritual uses of it. There are so many things that we have in our home that we don't know how to use them for spiritual purposes. Okay. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can stop spirits, witches, from entering your house using only broom, not just anyhow broom. Okay. I will share with you how you can do it by yourself. Okay. So make sure you're watching this video to the end so that you get the whole information on how you can do it. Welcome back. My name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here in this channel. If you're new here, you are welcome to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay. Like I was saying, there are so many things that we have in our home that we don't know the spiritual uses of it, that we don't know how to use them to solve some spiritual problem that we face on dailies. Okay. But in today's video, I want to share with you how you can stop spirits and witches from entering your house, maybe in the night, maybe in the day, maybe in the evening. You can stop them from entering your house, okay, using only broom, okay, and not just anyhow broom, okay. So make sure you are watching this video to the end so that you get the whole information on how you can do it, okay. So if you're facing this problem of spirit, you have this feeling that there is a spirit that always enter your house, maybe in the night, maybe in the daytime, maybe in the afternoon. You have this feeling that there is a particular spirit that always come into your house, or in the night, witches do visit you. They carry out their ugly and spiritual attacks on you and you don't know what to do. What you need to do is to get a broom, okay? Get a broom that is old. Maybe the broom that you have been using to sweep your house for a very long time, let's say 3-4 months or 5 months, okay? Get that broom. Now, when you get that broom now, you are going to bring out 7 pieces of that broom. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. So this broom now is up to 7. Okay, you are going to bring out 7 pieces of that broom. Now, when you bring out 7 pieces of that broom, when you want to sleep in the night, at the back of your door, you are going to place that 7 brooms on the floor at the back of that your door if you want to sleep in the night. Okay, when you place this at the back of your door, you are going to leave it till the next day. You are not going to remove, you are not going to touch it again. You are going to leave it there till the next day. Okay, once that 7 pieces of that broom is at the back of that your door, that spirit will no longer have access to that door, that house, sorry, will no longer have access to that house. Those witches that always come, if they are coming through that door, they will no longer have access to that your house. Okay, once that broom is at the back of that door, you are going to leave that broom, like I said, till the next day, till morning. Then in the morning you can be able to remove it and do whatever you want to do. In the night you can place it back. Okay, once you are doing this, that spirit that always have access to your house, that's always passed through that door to come into your house, will no longer be able to have access to your house. Okay, this is simple spiritual recipe you can do to stop spirit from coming into your house using only the broom that you have in your house. Make sure the broom is old somehow, not new. Make sure you have used that broom for some months, like 3 to 4 months before you can do this. Okay, and you see it working. Okay, so make sure you do this and you see how it goes. If you have any question you want to ask regarding this video, use the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share my video so that other people will see it. Okay, and if you want to talk to me directly, like I always say, use my number showing on the screen. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.